we have 2 and 5/9 minus 1 and 1/3. But to subtract fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. 9 is in the 3 times table, so we need to find an equivalent fraction to 1/3 which has a denominator of 9. So rather than 2 and 5/9 minus 1 and 1/3, we can rewrite our question as 2 and 5/9 minus 1 and 3/9. 3/9 is equivalent to 1/3 because 3 times 3 is 9 and 1 times 3 is 3. So now we can subtract. We subtract our fraction part first, and 5/9 minus 3/9 is 2/9. Then we subtract our whole numbers, and 2 minus 1 is 1, so our answer is 1 and 2/9. Now 3 1/2 minus 1 1/4. To subtract, we need our denominators to be the same. 4 is in the 2 times table, so we need an equivalent fraction to 1/2 with a denominator of 4. So instead of 3 and 1/2, we can write 3 and 2/4, because that's equivalent to 1/2. 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2. So now we can subtract 1 1/4. We subtract the fraction first. 2/4 minus 1/4 is 1/4, and now we subtract our whole number. 3 minus 1 is 2, so our answer is 2 and 1/4. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.